cats these days. Always trying to get into stuff. Cats. Cats, cats, cats. Just about to come upstairs to play some COD. Call of Duty, whatever. Not sponsored. And I found him sitting on my chair. Can you get out of my chair, please? Please, can you get out of my chair, please? And can you stop smacking me with your really big tail? Jeez, such a big tail. Can you get out of my chair, please? Can you get out of my chair? Please? Please get out of my chair. Please get out of my chair. Please get out of my chair! Get out of my chair! I said get out of my chair! No cats are harming the making of this video. Bye guys. Please leave my chair now, okay? Please leave.